installation projects. Until now, SEAG installation film has been applied on countless projects worldwide. The installation technology used by SEAG film has gained international recognition and has been patented in many countries. Far beyond the examples shown here, new projects are undergoing worldwide. To contribute to eco-saving and provide a comfortable, safe, and pleasurable living space is the goal of our SEAG installation film.